And welcome to another episode of 𝗵𝘃𝗲𝗄 Adventures. What's up guys, good morning. Welcome to another episode of 𝗵𝘃𝗲𝗄 Adventures. Today we are bringing you this nice product sent to us by Haloview. We've been using this camera for about a year now and no complaints. This one is their touchscreen version, so we're gonna share with you guys the installation of this and let's see how it goes. Before we get that started, I want to share with you guys, because we haven't really been going nowhere. We're getting this RV ready for our Northeast trip coming up in June. So let me show you what I have been working on. So first thing we did was getting some brand new tires. They are the 𝗂𝐿𝐿 S637. They are 14 ply, brand new tires. Second thing that we did, we got ourselves the snap pads for all of our jacks. Apologize for the bit of generator noise. I'm running the generator, doing some maintenance here. But here's the other thing that we changed this seal here, brand new seal on this side and on that side. And here in the roof, we'd put all brand new Max Air fan covers, 1, 2, 3. The one that came with the RV, they were pretty worn out, so we got brand new covers here. And look at this roof, guys. Look at this roof, armor flex seal roof. And the rest has pretty much been organizing the RV, setting it up to the way that we love to, and that's pretty much it, guys. So let me get this set up with this camera, and for our next video, I'll promise you to give you a full tour of this RV. So let's start by the specs. Okay, so it is the Haloview, so you can see here, BT7 touchscreen, HD 1080p, water resistant, night vision. It records. It's up to 984 feet, which is very good. What else? The resolution is 1024 by 3. The screen size is 7 inches. It has 4 channels. Aspect ratio 16 by 9. And that's pretty much it, guys. So it's all this info here, so let's get that going. All right, guys, so let's unbox the package here. Some manuals. We got ourselves a suction cup here, another suction cup. I'm assuming this is the housing for the, oh, this is the camera here. Very good, very good. Some screws, more screws or wire connectors, and last but not least, that special gasket here for the RV. And this here is the monitor. Well, very nice, very slick, very modern. Look at that, guys. I cannot wait to have this baby in the truck. Okay, so right off the bat, I could tell that I'm gonna like it better than the other one, since it has this sorry, I'm recording with one hand. So since it has this suction cup that it mounts back here, and you can pretty much put it anywhere in the truck. So yeah, and as far as the camera, it's probably the same as the camera I have back there. I'm gonna check if it connects with the previous one I have, so I don't have to connect this one. Just like the other one, it brings the antennas. So far it looks pretty damn nice. I can't wait to set it up, so let's set it up now. Okay friends, we're here in the truck. We're about to connect it. Let's connect it right now. Here's my power cord. Connected, it's on. So it's on right now. Let's see what it says here. There's an error, so I have to read some manuals and see how this baby works. Hold on. Right, friends, so all you need to do is pair up the camera. Here's the camera with the motor. Let me show you. Voila, working, baby. This is the camera here, as you can see. That's me. Oh man, what a great system. Way better than the other one. Let me show you the previous one so you guys compare. All right, guys, and this is old. This is the new system. This is the new camera here. As you can see me there, that's me. We're gonna mount it in the RV, and it should be an easy process. But yeah, this is much upgraded version. Very nice. It's touchscreen, as you can see here. Let me see if I can record and kind of toggle along. So as you can see, boom, touchscreen. You have all your menu there. I don't know if you guys can see, but very nice product, guys, by Haloview here. I will put a code here in my description. I believe my code is Leslin10. I will put it in the description, as I said. And so you guys, if you're interested in this product, you could get 10% off. There you have it, guys. Haloview BT7 RV rear view camera. All right, folks, and the job is completely done. I didn't have to take off my existing camera. It paired up very well. Here it is, as you can see. Hold on. And there it is, friends. I don't know if you can see because of the glare, but that is it, my friends. Let me show you exactly what you need to do. So in the camera itself, there's a pairing button. You just tap it. Go to your first, you go to your motor screen, click pair, come up to your camera up here, up there, hit the pairing button, and voila, you got picture. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, and please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in our next destination, Florida Keys, baby. Little hint.